going to place it over here, and this is the dressing. Packet is dry, intact, expiry date is 2028. I am happy with that. Place it over here, and this is the saline sachet. Packet intact, dry, and expiry date is 2028. I am happy with that. And the micropore over here, it's clean and ready for use. So over here, and then come over here. And I have the hand gel over here, and I have the waste bin over here. In the Zealand OSCE, you will be getting a paper waste bin that will be somewhere here, and the patient will be a mannequin there. Now what you have to do is do a hand gel. Then you have to open the dressing set. Okay, open the dressing set like this way, and this is going to the clinical waste. Then what is going to happen is, after the hand gel, you have to open the dressing like this way. So you can see inside there is a yellow forceps will be there. There is two blue forceps, and then next one is there is a small cup with the cotton balls and gauze piece. So take out this one, okay, and then you have to rearrange the articles. Just look over here how I am going to rearrange it. Okay, so take it out and leave it here. It's very